So since we've really engaged our leadership in people-centric leadership, we've seen some amazing results, and the results are all around people. Our people are different. The way they lead, the way they lead their employees is wonderful. And the other thing we've learned is that you don't have to be in a leadership position to use people-centric leadership. Some of the best testimonies we've had at Neptune are from people that actually talk about how people-centric leadership has improved their life away from work also. It's made them better husbands, better fathers, and those type things. So it's been wonderful to see the transformation in people.